Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Padil section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solutions, GSEB solution, Kids Zone, and general knowledge, courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, article, blogs, newsletter, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 6 Geography, chapter 3 Motions of the Earth. Let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is, answer the following question briefly. What is the angle of inclination of the Earth's axis with its orbital plane? The angle of inclination of the Earth's axis with its orbital plane is 66.5 degree. Define rotation and revolution. The movement of Earth on its axis is called rotation. The movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path or an orbit is known as revolution. What is a leap year? Every fourth year, February has 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year with 366 days is called a leap year. Difference between the summer and the winter solstice. Summer solstice, when the southern hemisphere experiences the winter season and it is summer in the northern hemisphere. At that point in time, the position of the Earth on 21st June is called the summer solstice. Winter solstice, when the southern hemisphere experiences the summer season and the reverse occurs at the northern hemisphere. At that point in time, the position of the Earth on 22nd December is called the winter solstice. What is an equinox? On 21st March and September 23rd, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. Therefore, the whole Earth experiences the equal days and equal nights. This is called an equinox. Why does the southern hemisphere experience winter and summer solstice at different times than that of the northern hemisphere? The Earth is always revolving and it is divided into two hemispheres. The part of the Earth which faces the sun experiences the summer and the part away from the sun experiences winter. Therefore, the southern hemisphere experiences winter and summer solstice at different times than that of the northern hemisphere. Why do the poles experience about 6 months days and 6 months nights? The poles experience 6 months of day and 6 months of night due to the inclination of the Earth on its own axis. This inclination keeps one pole towards the sun and another pole away from the sun for 6 months each. This is the reason behind this condition. Next question is, tick the correct answer. The movement of the Earth around the sun is known as revolution. Direct rays of the sun fall on the equator on 21st March. Christmas is celebrated in summer in Australia. Cycle of the seasons is caused due to revolution. Next question is, fill in the blanks. A leap year has 366 number of days. The daily motion of the Earth is rotation. The Earth travels around the sun in an elliptical orbit. The sun's ray fall vertically on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st March. Days are shorter during winter season. So this was chapter 3 of NCERT solution for class 6th social science geography. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.